Zoco WhatsApp marketing software review. In this video, I'm going to break down the benefits and features of this new tool called Zoco, which I've discovered a month back and I've been playing with it, and it seems to be a very promising player in the space of WhatsApp marketing softwares. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So without further ado, let's start the show. My name is Anthony and I'm the founder of Alpha Marketer. Today we are entering episode number 7 of the Conversational Marketing Show. This is your go-to show to learn about conversations and how you can turn them into conversions. Right, so let's start about Zoco. Zoco, as I call, it's a WhatsApp marketing software. So the term WhatsApp marketing is getting more popular, but at the same time, we have to understand that WhatsApp as a communication channel affects the entire life cycle of a customer. First, let me get a quick disclaimer out. We are at a very early stages of the WhatsApp marketing era, and all these softwares that I am reviewing on my channel are developing new features as we speak. Okay, so some of the features which I am reviewing today might not be there in the next 6 months, or might have gotten an upgrade in the next 6 months. Some of the features that are not there today as I record this video would have been developed in the next 6 months to 1 year, with time. So you have to take this video with a pinch of salt and understand the features, the big picture idea behind these softwares. Okay, so with that in mind, let's start the show and review Zoco marketing software. Okay, so I will be reviewing this particular tool with respect to 3 important aspects: the marketing angle, sales angle, and support angle. So when it comes to marketing, a software that is helping a business to connect with its customers in terms of the marketing angle, I expect 3 core features. One will be a no-code chatbot builder, because most marketers don't know coding, so there should be an option to drag and drop and build a chatbot builder. Okay, which is kind of common today in most software tools like ManyChat. There's a tool called Wati. So they all have this no-code chatbot builder. Then there should be a feature to send nurture sequences. So what are these? Basically, if you are aware of email marketing, in email marketing, people can send automated emails based upon the customer's behavior, right? So if you're a business and you have a bunch of customers, after they purchase, automatically you can send a feedback email. Automatically after a month, you can send a email to promote your next product, to upsell your products. You can even send content emails to build trust with your prospects and customers. All these things can be done automated. Okay. Similarly, WhatsApp marketing softwares are also now providing nurture sequence facilities. Some call it as flows. Okay. Some call it as sequences. So they have different nomenclature for this. So, but the idea remains the same. You have people who have interacted with you on WhatsApp, or you have the contacts of your customers who have given consent to be communicated via WhatsApp. To them, we should be able to send automated nurture sequences. That is second important feature. Third important feature is the ability to send broadcast messages. Okay, nothing but very similar to sending a broadcast email or broadcast SMS to your prospects and customers. Okay, so through WhatsApp also, the new WhatsApp API allows us to send broadcast messages, basically one-to-many communication. That's what this is all about. So this feature should be available in the platform. Now when it comes to Zoco, as I record this video at this moment, they don't have a chatbot builder. Okay, that's a bit disappointing as of now. Maybe they are developing it in the future. Maybe in the next 6 months or the next 1 year, this feature might be available. Okay, they have nurture sequences, fantastic. They also have the feature of sending broadcast. Okay, now let's go into the software and check it out. So now we are inside the Zoco interface. The first thing is creating the nurture sequences for your customer. For that, simply click on this button called flows. Okay, inside flow you can create a flow here. So very similar to your email marketing system, right? So you can define the rules, what is the trigger of the message, and then you can give delays like, wait for 1 minute, wait for 10 minutes, right? And then after that you can define what message to be sent. Okay, you can customize the message here, and then sent out. You can even personalize the message by including things like the customer name, customer phone number, etc. Okay, so likewise you can literally build out lengthy flows, like if you want to send a message for after 1 day, 2 days, 15 days, and various types of messages can be sent with the flow feature. So the one thing I like about the Zoco interface is that the whole interface is super clean and well organized. It's not clunky like most softwares, and they have very decent functionality built in. So that's with respect to your flows. Now let's talk about the feature of broadcasting messages. So now let us see how we can send broadcast messages using the Zoco interface. So you have an option called apps. Click on this, and under that you will have an option called broadcast. Now first, to send a broadcast you should have a template approved. Okay, so you cannot send any message to people on WhatsApp. If you as a brand, if you are initiating the conversation, you have to get the message approved by WhatsApp. So that's what we call a template message. So to start with, you have to click on templates, and they have this nice video guides given as to how you should create all these templates. Very useful feature. To start with, you have an option called create new. Here I'm going to click on create new, and here you can give the name ID, category type, like is it account update, alert update, auto reply, appointment updates. There are so many features. You can choose the appropriate ones. So in this case, I'm going to select account update, and you can select language, and then see if you want to send any media with the message. You want to send image, you want to send video, you want to send a document like a PDF document. All these things you can choose here. Okay, and then this is the text part where you have to mention the message. The main thing with WhatsApp template messages is, and if you want to get this approved by WhatsApp, because WhatsApp is going to review it manually and approve this template. So if you want to get it approved, please don't keep it promotional, keep it conversational. Whatever message you're sending should invoke a reply, invoke a conversation from the customer. So let me type out a message here. So I can say something like, hi, it's been a month since you purchased whatever be the product. Okay, XYZ product. So that XYZ is basically you can replace with the product name. Okay, it's a placeholder. We would like to know your feedback. Okay, please select an option from the buttons below, right? And now we can give the buttons. So if I can give the quick reply feature, where I can give buttons like I like it, then it can be like I love it. I have one more button saying that I don't like it. Okay, 3 buttons, and then once so basically the message is now built out. You have given the text, you have given the options, and then when you click on the next step, this particular template message will go for approval. Okay, that's how you create the template message. So it will look like this. You can see here it will look like this. So the customer will get a message along with 3 buttons which they can select. Okay, and you can also configure the response for these particular buttons. What happens if they click on these buttons? You can also configure that. Okay, so that's how you get the template ready. Once the template is done, now you can set the broadcast. So click on the broadcast button, and here you have an option for new broadcast, and here you can give the broadcast name. For example, in this case it's a feedback message. Okay, that's what I'm going to give. Language, and then here you can select the templates. Okay, so we have not submitted any template for approval. If we have done it and we gotten it approved, the template will be appearing here. You can select that, and then you have an option to add recipients. You can click on add recipients, upload the data of your customers, and then you can broadcast the message to your customers. Okay, that's how you do broadcasting within Zoco. So with respect to marketing, the automated sequence feature is available on Zoco, which is great. You also have an option to broadcast to thousands of people using the Zoco interface. Now, with respect to sales, okay, let's see what all features we expect from this tool and what all features are available in this tool. Okay, with respect to sales, we expect integration with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, etc. Then there should be an option for cart recovery. This is a huge revenue spinner for many companies if you simply set up an abandoned cart recovery feature. Okay, then the software should also be able to integrate with CRM systems. Okay, now let us go and look at the Zoco interface and see what all things we can find out there. We are now back again inside the Zoco interface. Now let us look at the integration features. For that, you have to go to organizational settings. Here under the dev tools, you have a tab called integrations. If I click on it, you can see that. So right now, as we speak, they have a native integration with Shopify. But they don't have integration with Magento and WooCommerce, which is coming soon. Okay, so as I told you at the beginning of the video, these tools are getting developed, and you can see a lot of changes in the features that they have in the next 6 to 1 year. Okay, but as I record, Zoco has support only for Shopify. The other platforms like Magento and WooCommerce are in pipeline. Now, with respect to sales, let us look at the feature for recovering abandoned carts. This is a huge revenue spinner for a lot of companies. So for that, we need to click on flows. Now under flows, you have to click on new workflow. Under new workflow, you can see all the Shopify default workflows here. You can see things like order confirmation, order pay later solution, order confirmation for non-COD orders, shipping confirmation for with partial fulfillment, order cancellation, so many features. And one of these is abandoned cart. You can click on abandoned cart. Here you can set up the abandoned cart messages. Since it is having a direct integration with Shopify, it will send the link which is kind of pre-filled. Okay, so it will send a notification to the customer with the link. If they click on it, it will take them to the cart page directly with all the pre-filled information, and it will just be a one-click sale. So cart abandonment recovery is possible using Zoco, and it is super effective. You can set it up here and you can see the stats as and when the campaign goes live. Okay, and the last feature that we wanted was the ability to integrate with CRMs. Okay, again I will go back to the settings. Here under integrations, right, there is no native support to any CRM like a HubSpot or Zoho, etc. Okay, so instead the other alternative that they are giving is webhooks and API keys. So if you have a developer and you are familiar with the idea of webhooks, you can use webhooks to connect Zoco with your CRM software solution. So as of today, as we speak, there is no native integration. Maybe in another 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year, you will have native integration in this platform itself. Okay? So those were the features with respect to sales. Now with respect to support, let us look at the basic requirements that we expect from a software. First, there should be a team inbox where multiple of your team members can log in and can answer the chats that come through WhatsApp, whether it is both support as well as for sales. Okay, they can answer queries and keep the customers happy, or if there's a new inbound inquiry for any sales request, also they should be able to answer it. Then there should be a support FAQ chat bot. And then third, there should be shipping and tracking notifications. Okay, so Zoco, as I told you, they don't have a chatbot builder as of today, so the support FAQ chatbot is out of question. They do have team inbox and shipping and tracking notifications. So let us go and check how it looks like within the software. So in terms of the team inbox, you can see the team inbox here. So this is a very clean interface. That's what I love about Zoco. The UI UX is amazing. So you can see the chat here. There is a customer inquiry. So this is my test account. So I'm just trying to chat with myself. So I can say, hi, how are you? Is there any question that I can help you with? Boom. So likewise, agent can reply to customers' queries. Okay, and you can have multiple agents, and these messages can be also routed to your team members automatically. You can set up routing rules to automatically allocate these chats to your team members. Okay, that's one great feature of Zoco. So this team inbox feature is outstanding. Maybe it is one of the best in class from when I compare to other software providers in this particular category. Okay, and then we talked about the shipping notifications. So for that, you have to go to flows, new workflow. You have this order confirmation, shipping confirmation, order cancellation. All these things can be set up using the Zoco flows feature. Overall, I feel it's a very, very promising software. So the only downside that I see right now is not having the facility to add chatbots, which I feel is crucial for a customer service platform or a sales platform like WhatsApp, when you get so much inbound inquiries, especially for an e-commerce website. Okay, so if you are looking for a WhatsApp marketing software, or I should call it the WhatsApp customer lifecycle management software, then you can consider Zoco. If you think that chatbot builder is not important to you, if you want chatbots, if you want all of the features, you want even more advanced stuff, then you can go and check out Wati. I have done a separate video about Wati. The link will be above this video or the description. You can also go and check it out. Otherwise, Zoco is a very promising software. What I love about Zoco is the user interface is very clean and neat. Okay, and the team inbox feature is amazing. That's something that stands out from other softwares in the market. Okay, very intuitive, very easy to use. And one more thing I forgot to mention, that in terms of the e-commerce businesses, okay, they have a feature where there is a native integration with Shopify. So in the chat interface, in the team inbox interface, the sales team people can actually type in the product that the customer is asking for, and they can create an order in the live chat itself. Okay, which is kind of unique, which only Zoco has at the moment, which I feel is great. Okay, so these are the pros and cons of Zoco. So if you want to use Zoco WhatsApp marketing or WhatsApp lifecycle management software for your business, then simply click on the link below this video. There's a special link which will take you to the Zoco software's website, and you can buy the product from there. Full disclosure, it is an affiliate link, and if you click on this link and you make a purchase, I might get a small commission out of it with no extra cost to you. You can also go and do a Google search and buy the product, or you can use the link below this video and buy it. If you buy through my link, it will be a way of appreciating my effort to do all these videos and bring all this value to you at no extra cost. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you are an e-commerce business and you want to implement WhatsApp conversational marketing for your business, then you can hire us. If you are someone who wants to learn WhatsApp conversational marketing, then you can join our coaching and mentorship program. And for that, you have to simply go to this link, alphamarketer.in/chat. And when you do, you'll be welcomed by my own personal sales assistant, my own WhatsApp chatbot. It will guide you to the whole process. You can also send a WhatsApp message. Just send hi to this number +91. That's the country code for India. 733-884-2395. That's it. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. It will greatly motivate me to reach out to more and more people and help them grow their business with the power of conversational marketing. Thank you so much, and bye bye.